Καλησπέρα από το MWC της Βαρκελόνης, είμαι ο Ανδρέας Καραντώνης από το Infocom. Βρισκόμαστε, όπως βλέπετε, στο booth της Rohde Schwarz, στο ένα από τα δύο που έχει η εταιρεία σε αυτή την έκθεση, και θα πάμε να δούμε μαζί με τους αρμόδιους της εταιρείας τις λύσεις που παρέχει η Rohde Schwarz για το μεγάλο θέμα συζήτησης αυτού του MWC, που δεν είναι άλλο από το 5G.
So hello, my name is Mike Kotkam. I'm working as a technology manager in Rohde Schwarz Test and Measurement Division. This is one of our applications we show for 5G testing, which includes testing new air interface waveform candidates we have been implemented in our instrumentation. So it allows you to select one of the candidate waveforms. There are several ones. The examples we implemented are UFMC, FBMC, GFDM, filtered OFDM, which are essentially all filtered versions of LTE. And well, you can send them, generate them, put them on a device under test, which might be a power amplifier, and do your measurements on those, which means that you probably want to check the spectral properties, where the improvements are. This is, for instance, an UFMC carrier in comparison to an LTE carrier. And obviously you would also do your EVM measurements and demodulate the signal. So the second aspect we are showing here is to use higher bandwidth at higher frequency, another subject that is discussed with 5G. So the same instruments, signal generation, signal analysis, with the properties of being able to generate up to 2 GHz bandwidth. Internally the instrument going up to 40 GHz for an up conversion process here in the instrument. If we need to go higher, we can also apply external up conversion. So with this process we go up to 60 in this specific example, because we use a wireless LAN AD signal. But on the receiving side for the spectrum analyzer, that might be even going up to 85 GHz, as this is the highest frequency we support with the spectrum analyzer. Again, demodulation capabilities internally 500 MHz. With an external oscilloscope we can support 2 GHz, the same way as we do on the transmitter side. And the third subject we are having here is, while the industry needs to have new channel models for this new unknown frequency in cellular world. And for these channel models you need to sound the environment, so capturing the characteristics of the environment at these frequencies. We have placed a transmitter which is at the back end of our booth. We're sending a signal over air here at 60 GHz again, so the analyzer is capturing it, and the piece of software, our channel sounding solution, is computing the channel impulse response, so you see the number of reflections in that specific environment that would allow you to do all your statistical analysis and derive a channel model out of it. This is actually quite strongly used right now in the 3GP arena to come up with these final channel models that are needed. So Rohde Schwarz present at this year Mobile World Congress includes 2 different booths. So we have one booth, that one that you can see here is including all the infrastructure test cases, and also for smartphone and user device testing, including the chipset, of course. And that is mainly, well, of course, including the testing needs for LTE Advanced. So things like 4x4 MIMO in LTE Advanced, 4 component carrier aggregation, 256 QAM in the downlink. We have also a lot of automotive applications here installed, where you probably do something like coexistence stuff using wireless LAN, LTE in an automotive environment. We have user experience testing like voice and video testing, and also addressing the IoT space, so these new cost-optimized modules in LTE that address the long-lasting power and efficiency characteristics of that field. So it's all here. We have another stand which is mobile network testing. So Rohde Schwarz is quite happy to attend the show each year and present to our customers how we can support them.